Hello beautiful peeps of YouTube and welcome back to the channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. I want to welcome you back to the channel. I'm so happy that you're here and that you're spending time out of your busy schedule watching and tuning in. I appreciate all of you. Comment down below and let me know, how are you doing? What's good? What's going on? How's the family? How are the kids? How are the fur babies? How's all your relatives? How are you doing? How are you feeling? Please comment down below and let me know. It's been a minute since I've been away. I've been, to be honest, kind of struggling with life as life be lifing. My career is just feeling like it's in the toilet right now, and I'm, struggling through that. Comment down below if you can relate. But God has got my back, and so I have nothing to fear, and I know He will do everything He can to make me feel okay. And so today, I'm kind of in the mood to share and to update you on something that's kind of exciting. So I thought I'd dive in and make a video about it. So today I want to, I'm going to let you know that I'm going to be changing up my planner system. Now, not too long ago, and actually in the past, probably over the past 2 years or so, as I've had this channel, I've mentioned numerous times how I did not like a particular planner for a variety of reasons. I will actually link those videos below because I always say never say never. You never know when you're going to change your mind. You never know when your life's going to change. You never know when you are going to go back on what you said you thought you would never do, because here I am. And I'm sharing 2 planners that I will be using for 2026. And I'm excited because it's by one of my favorite planner brands, and that is Sterling Ink. And before I showcase the planners, because this is going to be an unboxing, folks, I'm excited, but I just like to open up the little card and share, the things that come with it. So I got this order in yesterday, and I placed the order because, shocking, surprise, here in Canada, we have yet another postal strike. Comment down below if you're Canadian and you know all the and you know all about that. But I ordered these months ago and I got them in now, and they are 2, not 1, but count them, 2 Sterling Ink week type planners. Now let's unbox, shall we? So the first one I'm going to unbox is this one. So I got the same planner, and this is the N2 horizontal compact full year, and I got one in a bluish color and one in a pink color, and this kind of all goes, oh no, I'm not making it pretty. I'm not unboxing it pretty, I apologize. But I have a planner system, a full planner system in mind that I'm going to be using, and I got these colors to match with that. So stay tuned to the channel and I will be revealing my entire planner system with you folks. But this is it. This is the N2H compact planner, like I said. Again, we have the Sterling Ink card here, and this planner is very similar to the Hobonichi planner. And I guess I have some explaining to do. Lucy, you have some explaining to do. Comment down below if you know that reference. But but I decided, and I'm actually gonna open up this one as I explain. So a lot has changed since I first dived into the Hobonichi Weeks world. I really liked Hobonichi Weeks because the size was perfect for me. And again, one of those pretty post-it things. I'm going to set that aside. And this one here is, again, another N2H compact, and this one is in the pink color, also 2026. And I loved the size and the versatility of the Hobonichi Weeks, but I just found it was really expensive, and I had to get mine online off Amazon. I found the price wasn't worth it, and at the time I just felt that it was too small for me. And I just didn't like the size of it. I'm driving you nuts with this. Hold on a second. Okay, so here it is. This is the Sterling Ink planners. Now, as I open it, I'm noticing that the outside is a little bit different, but I won't worry about that. But I love the size of these because of my intended purposes and what I want to use them for. So the blue one, not the green one, but the blue one will be used as my fitness and wellness planner. Now, currently, I do have a Moleskine planner that I use, and I've showcased that on the channel numerous times. I love it. I use it. I carry it with me all the time. I love this planner, but I just felt that Moleskine was kind of expensive for, you know, what it was. You know, like I just felt like I didn't want to spend that much money. And, you know, I love the setup of this planner, and I got this idea from my Hobonichi Weeks that I had. And I figured, you know, if I get a sterling ink, which is more economical in my opinion, then I can transfer that and turn this into my fitness planner, but in my sterling ink common planner. And so that's what I decided to do. And this has been going great. I'm down well over 20 pounds using this method. And again, if you want more information on this, I do have some videos. I'll put that in a playlist below. But I feel like this would be a great plan, a great idea for my fitness planner. I can have the same setup with my meals and everything, and my musings, my moods, my, you know, my movement goals, all that good stuff. I can track my sleep. One of the things I love about the Sterling Ink planner as opposed to the Hobonichi Weeks is the writing is a lot brighter and it's easier to see. And yeah, I just, the price was right. There was a great deal going on, and I felt good about it. Now, in the back pages here, I'm not going to worry about what do I do with these, if I use them, if I don't use them. There's lots of things I can do. I can put recipes in here. I can put workout plans in here. There's so many things I can do, and I'm not going to worry about making it pretty and making it a showstopper and washi and stickers and all that kind of stuff necessarily. I mean, if I want to do that, I will most happily will, but it's not going to be a big deal, or I'm not going to make it a big deal. And so that kind of takes the pressure off of it. So I'm really excited about this choice. So this is going to be my fitness planner. And I also purchased these clear kind of containers here that I'm going to use. I'm just going to slip it right on to my planner because I got one for my fitness. And that way, you know, when I'm out and about, and like if I'm going for a walk or if I'm going to work out at the gym or whatever, I can have my planner with me and not worry about it getting messy or dirty or anything like that. So I'm really excited about this. So let me just stick this in here real quick, and then you can see the finished part of it. Ta-da, sort of. Oh, okay. Did I not do it right? No. Well, I will mess around with it. I'm sure it'll be okay. Okay, there we go. Just needs to kind of warm up a bit. So I love the fact that it has a plastic case, and yeah, it's going to be protected. So this is going to be my fitness and wellness planner and tracker. Now this planner here, the pink one, is going to be my, dare I say, my everyday carry. Now, I love having a planner that I can cart around with me, and it's not too bulky, it's not too big. I can fit it in any purse, any school bag, any bag, and it just keeps track of all the things that I need to be aware of. So bills I got to pay, things that I got to do, errands that I have to run. And again, I love the weeks for that setup. And I also just love the setup of the weeks for just everyday jotting down and carrying things and just having fun. I've been looking online at a lot of the Instagram accounts that have set up their, you know, Hobonichi Weeks or Sterling Inks and twos in just very simplistic ways with a little bit of decoration, a little bit of stickers, a little bit of color, and it just looks beautiful and simple. And I think I'm in my simple era right now where I just want things streamlined. I don't want a lot of fuss and a lot of like panic or drama around things. I just want to keep things simple. And so I think that's why I gravitated towards these planners for the next year. And I'm really excited about my choice. Like, I feel like this is going to be a good choice for me. And one of the biggest kickers, and this is where I say never because when I started planning and using the original Hobonichi weeks, this is going to sound so weird, but this is my truth. I was struggling with arthritis pain or arthritic pain in my hands, and having to write that small in a small book was actually trying for me. But when I started taking my health seriously and making some lifestyle choices and lifestyle changes, what I noticed is that the inflammation that caused the arthritis really didn't impact me anymore. And I was able, and I am able, to write in smaller books and in smaller things. And when I noticed that, I was like, oh, actually, this actually works. I actually like writing in smaller books. I don't like having to make big loopy words and letters and things like that necessarily all the time. Sometimes I just want to jot things down quickly and call it a day. And so it's so interesting how there's like that ripple effect, right? Because you make your lifestyle changes, it helps improve things in the body and da. Now here I am, instead of being in a big old planner, I am currently in a smaller planner that suits my lifestyle. And I think both these tools are going to help in that transition. And so I'm really excited at the prospects of next year, 2026, and all that it comes and all that's with it. I started off the year really not knowing what I wanted, but I knew I wanted change. And I'm so grateful that I've had the ability to make some changes that have propelled me in the right direction and hopefully will move me in a way that I want to go and make life a lot more interesting and a lot more pleasant, enjoyable, and comfortable and all that good stuff. So thank you for being on this journey. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's short but sweet. At least I hope it's short. And I hope it's sweet. But again, comment down below and let me know how you're doing, what's good. I'd love to know if you care to share. And stay tuned to the channel because I will be doing a full-on planner update where I showcase my entire planner system for the 2026 planner year, or calendar year rather. And I'm excited to share that with you because it's fun. I love talking about planners. And oh, I also want to put this on here. Now I don't know if I'm doing this right. Maybe I'll save that for off camera. But this cover goes like that. And yeah, I'm really excited. I'm so excited that I have a nice, cute little system. And I'm excited to get planning for the new year. So thank you so much for watching, my friends. If you're new to my channel and you haven't done so already, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you like the content. And let me know in the comments down below, what planner do you plan to use for 2026? Have you ever done a never say never moment where you thought you would never get into something and you ran right back into it? Or something very similar? I would love to know if you care to share in the comments down below. And until next time, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.